In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively fill out the Zoho mail support form, which you can find on their official website. Whether you're facing login issues, mail delivery problems, or need assistance with two-factor authentication, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to visit the support form page by entering the URL https://zoho.com/mail-contact HTML directly in your web browser's address bar. Once you hit enter, the page will load, directing you to Zoho Mail's support section. This is your go-to place for reaching out to Zoho Mail's support team when you encounter any issues. As you look at the form, you'll notice several fields marked as required. Begin by inputting your email address in the designated space. Here, ensure you're entering a valid Zoho mail address, which typically follows the format, for example, yourname@yourdomain.com. Accuracy is important here, as this will be Zoho's way of identifying your account and reaching out to you with any updates regarding your support request. Next, move on to provide your active contact number. This means you should input a phone number where you can be reached. Make sure the format is correct, starting with the appropriate country code, such as +63, followed by your number. This helps Zoho contact you if they need further clarification regarding your issue or to notify you about any required actions. Now, it's time to categorize your problem. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Choose the Category. Clicking this will reveal a list of common issues, such as login difficulties, mail delivery problems, password resets, or challenges with two-factor authentication. Select the category that best describes your current problem. If your issue doesn't match any of these descriptions, don't worry. Select Others and make sure to describe your issue clearly in the next part of the form. This brings us to the description field. Here, you'll want to be as detailed as possible about the issue you're experiencing. Include any error messages you've received, the browser you're using, and the device on which you've encountered the problem. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the Zoho support team to diagnose and resolve your issue efficiently. Before submitting, there's just one more step, and that's entering the CAPTCHA code. You'll see a combination of characters in an image which you need to type into the adjacent field. This step confirms you're actually a person submitting the request and not an automated bot. It's an essential security measure that helps prevent spam. Finally, double-check all the information you've entered for accuracy. Once you're sure everything has been filled out correctly, move down to the bottom of the form and click the Submit button. After this, your request will be sent to Zoho's support team, who will review it and get back to you as soon as possible with assistance or further instructions. And that's it! You've successfully filled out the Zoho mail support form. While waiting for a response, make sure to check your email and phone for any updates from Zoho. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped streamline your support request process.